Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Education Life. ভিডিঅ'টো যদি আপোনালোকৰ সহায় হয় মোৰ ভিডিঅ'টো লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ কমেণ্ট লগতে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব বুলি আশা কৰিলোঁ। আজি আমি নেশ্যনেল চিম্বলছ অফ ইণ্ডিয়া ভাৰতৰ ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় প্ৰতীকসমূহৰ বিষয়ে শিকোৱা হওক। প্ৰথমটো দিছোঁ, হোৱাট ইজ আৱাৰ নেশ্যনেল ট্ৰী? আনচাৰ, ইণ্ডিয়ান বানিয়ান ট্ৰী। What is our national fruit? Answer, mango. What is our national flower? Answer, Indian lotus flower. What is our national game? Answer, hockey. What is our national animal? Answer, Royal Bengal tiger. What is our national language? Answer, Hindi. What is our national song? Answer, Vande Mataram. What is our national reptile? Answer, king cobra. What is our national flag? Answer, Tiranga. What is our national anthem? Answer, Jana Gana Mana. What is our national calendar? Answer, Saka calendar. What is our national currency? Answer, Indian rupee. What is our national emblem? Answer, lion, capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. What is our national vegetable? Answer, pumpkin. What is our national bird? Answer, peacock. What is our national heritage animal? Answer, Indian elephant. What is our national river? Answer, the Ganga. What is our national aquatic animal? Answer, river dolphin. What is our national motto? Answer, Satyame Jayate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.